I'm Brandon of Berserker Off-Road, and this is my portable air compressor solution. On my 07 JK, my compressor was mounted in my tailgate. It was awfully convenient, but it was loud and it was getting beat up on the trail. On my 13 JK, I mounted my compressor in the engine bay, but I ran into weight distribution issues. I had a steel bumper, a winch, dual batteries, then the compressor, and my handling was poor on the highway because of all that weight up front. So in my JL, I went with a portable solution. I wanted something that was not in the vehicle all the time. I wanted something that was not vehicle specific, so I wasn't spending a couple $100 with every vehicle to mount it. It was one and done, and this is what I came up with. I used an aluminum Zarges case. I like these because they're tough, water resistant, and stackable. I'm using a twin ARB compressor. The airline features a quick coupler and bleeder valve. Many Anderson connectors are pre-wired to the battery. There are 2 positive leads and 1 negative. ARB's compressor wiring harness has dual fuses. Once the leads are connected, the compressor switch illuminates. I'm still working on a switch mount. Operation is simple. Close the bleeder valve, connect the airline, and start the compressor. Bleed the pressure when done. The compressor mounts to the bottom of the case with 4 bolts. Polyurethane washers and silicone seal and reduce vibrations. In the case, I carry spare fuses, a hose repair kit, and a jumper cable pigtail to connect to other rigs. Here's the modified wiring diagram. In my first Jeep, I wanted the compressor mounted high because I did a lot of moronic things in mud and water. In my second Jeep, I didn't want it in the cab because the noise is deafening and I didn't want to subject my family to it while I aired up.
Daddy, I can break this box.
Awesome, you're strong.
Yeah, I can break rocks.
Now, I don't use the compressor enough to justify it being permanently mounted. This is my daily driver after all. I hope you draw inspiration from my build. Thanks for watching. See you on the trail.